Get sharper images with this support for medium telephoto lens. The length of the bracket is adjustable to take different length lenses and different diameters by tilting the tilt head to 34 rc, included. Length from head to lens support adjustable from 200 to 295 mm. Attachments, 4x 3/8 female and 3x 1/4 female. Color, black, -90 degrees / +90 degrees tilt range. Load capacity, 5.51 pounds. Material, aluminum. Maximum extension, 11.61 inches. Minimum extension, 7.87 inches. Weight, 1.54 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Got this for my wife's Canon 800D with a Canon 100 to 400 mm length telephoto lens. This unit is very well made using aluminum stock, attaches to the camera/lens easily and provides a solid and secure mounting to the tripod. It also is better balanced on the tripod than just the lens ring mount. The quick disconnect has a good locking feature with an audible click. It is hefty and adds weight to an already heavy camera/lens combination, so this is not really something one would use to take snapshots. Mine did not come with any instructions, but it was not difficult to figure out how to assemble it to the camera. All in all, a good value for the money that should prove durable for field wildlife photos. Side note, Amazon Prime on this delivery was terrible. It took a week plus to get this unit instead of the 2-day normal and expected delivery.